this example, we are going to take the derivative of 1 over 9x minus 1. So differentiate just means take the derivative. So whenever I have 1 over 9x minus 1, the fact that I had to say over, division, right? 1 over. Whenever I have to divide, I'm going to use what's called the quotient rule. So if you have an f of x divided by a g of x, that's just a numerator divided by a denominator. The rule goes, start with your denominator, then multiply by the derivative of the numerator, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. And what you can do is, before you plug everything in, you can label, my numerator is 1, therefore the derivative of 1 is 0. My denominator, my g of x, is 9x minus 1. The derivative of that is the derivative of 9x minus 1 is just 9. And now we're about to plug everything in. We'll just call this y prime, the derivative. And notice my original was f of x. It was labeled f of x equals this, right? Well, for my quotient rule, when I was talking about f of x, I was talking about the numerator of my original. I wasn't talking about my entire original. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, I guess that's why coming down here, instead of calling it f prime of x, I labeled it y prime, because if I would have called it f prime, you might would have gotten it confused with the derivative of the numerator. Anyway, so we're going to start with our original denominator, which was 9x minus 1 times the derivative of our numerator, 0. And again, I'm just following the quotient rule right here, minus the numerator of 1 times the derivative of the denominator, which was 9, all over the denominator squared. Well, 9x minus 1 times 0 is 0. Negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. And then 9x minus 1 squared, I think we'll just leave it like that.